auto alarm specialist.
Okay, this is a 2019 Chevy Silverado. Looks pretty good. Change a few things. They put the emblem here on the side, change the grill up a little bit, the lights, put the Silverado thing in the fender. You know, the whole truck is redesigned. Went ahead and installed the Clifford 3105, the new one. To disarm it, you're gonna hit unlock. 2 chirps, it unlocks the doors. 1 chirp, it locks your door. This one didn't come with the factory alarm or anything, or any factory mode. This is the base model. So anyway, either way, even if it comes with a factory alarm, we also have the shock sensor add-ons, because these trucks, you definitely don't want to rely on the factory alarm, because it only works if they open the door. So we always add shock sensors to them. But in his case, he didn't even have a factory alarm, and he didn't even have a remote control. They just handed him a key and that's it. So we went ahead and installed the alarm, so it will lock and unlock the door, and he'll have the keyless entry. Right now the door's unlocked, so if anybody tries to break the window, fire off. Flash the lights. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the alarm. I'm gonna go ahead and rearm it. So he's got the locks, power locks hooked up, flashing lights. If they open any of the doors, it fires off. Panic button. Hold this button down here, you can fire the alarm. Okay, so it's arm, disarm, panic. This alarm gave him a antenna right here in the top that gives him a bigger range, so he can be able to arm and disarm it from far away. It comes with the built-in LED light that's going to flash at night, and it's got the valet switch in the center, so in the event that the remote controls break, he's going to open the door, turn the key in the ignition, and tap that button, and that will disable the alarm. It comes with 2 remote controls. It's got lifetime warranty. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is Auto Alarm Specialist. This is in a 2019 brand new Chevy Silverado. Thank you for watching this video.